நிகண்டு சேனல் பார்த்துட்டு இருக்க நண்பர்களுக்கு வணக்கம். நம்ம சேனலை சப்ஸ்கிரைப் பண்ணுங்க, மறக்காம பெல் பட்டனையும் கிளிக் பண்ணுங்க. We are going to start a vermicompost in a pilot phase. This is the vermicompost container. This is containing lot of holes which will help in aeration. The bottom we don't have a hole, so I am going to put holes in it. So once the water is sprinkled, that water will settle down and through these holes it will be collected in another container. That water is called a vermi wash. In the vermicompost container, the first thing we have to do is the vermi bed. The first layer of the vermi bed is bricks. We can use these kinds of bricks if we have, or if we don't have, we can use this red bricks and break into pieces like this. So this level of bricks needs to be put in the first layer. So I have some construction waste demolished from the room. So I am taking this kind of bricks from the construction waste and putting in the first layer of the vermi bed. Once the red soil is put in, just press it to level the container. The vermi bed is ready. Now we can enter the cow dung. The cow dung should be 7 to 10 days old, which is in this stage. We can just crush it and spread a layer of cow dung. So first we have to spread a layer of cow dung, then the biomass, that is the waste which is pre-digested 10 to 15 days, and then another layer of cow dung. In the vermicompost, after the cow dung is spread, the next one is the biomass. All vegetable waste, kitchen waste, biodegradable waste, all pre-digested for 10 to 15 days in a pre-digester. That is, just put in for 10 to 15 days. After that all biomass will be like this, which will help the earthworm to digest easily. The biomass is spreaded. The final layer is again the cow dung. The cow dung is spreaded again in the top. Then we can introduce the earthworm to this vermicompost model. Now the vermicompost layer is ready to introduce the earthworm. So what I have is, this is the earthworm culture. I have collected it from my garden. I have couple of earthworms, but what we need is almost some 50 earthworms for this size of for the size of vermicompost. We need some 50 earthworms. So likewise I am going to put the earthworm into this and expose it in sunlight for 5 minutes. Earthworms are very much photosensitive. They will be getting into the cow dung within a couple of minutes. See, you can see that earthworm is moving inside. After 5 minutes, you keep it in a shady place and close it with a gunny bag and sprinkle water. In summer, we have to sprinkle daily once in the morning, In winter and rainy season, depending upon the moisture, we have to sprinkle once in 2 days or 3 days. Earthworm don't like stagnation of water, but it needs moisture. Once the earthworm is introduced, close it with a wet gunny bag and sprinkle water. This may be kept open or closed with a lid. This is to avoid predators like a rat, and keep this container like this, where the water sprinkled will be deposited and collected in this bond. Those water is called the vermi wash, and the compost which comes from the earthworm is the black gold vermi compost. After 10 days we can circulate the biomass, and after 40 days the vermi compost will be completely ready.